up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, I suggest, and I do highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on great opportunities like this. Alright, so you guys know I do a lot of things on this channel, and one of the biggest things I do is that I like to game and stream. I like to stream gaming when I'm playing, and it's awesome. I think it's an awesome way to meet new people. I met a lot of good friends on YouTube through streaming, and it's been awesome. Not through the gaming side technically, but I've been overall just streaming. I met some cool people. So I know the problems that people have sometimes is that they need to stream at certain platforms, and it can get a little annoying because you're like, oh, I want to stream this, but I want to stream it here, then here and here. And I've showed you ways how to multi-stream by using OBS, and as you see, I got OBS lined up in the back. And you guys know when I multi-stream, I use a certain plugin called Multiple Output, which is a great plugin. It works with, you can put any custom RTMP file links there, and then you can link any of your platforms there, and you can stream over it. As you see, with the OBS open up in the side and the back of me, right over here, you see this whole plugin right here. Well, it says start, modify, delete, and it has a bunch of ones there. Those are all the different platforms that I stream to when I want to, and it's just a quick start, and it starts right away. I got my YouTube channel up there if I need it, my Facebook, my other YouTube channel, and then I also have Kick, and I also have a Twitch. If I scroll down, let me scroll down a little bit so you guys can see. I got Kick, and I got the other Kick channel, and I got Twitch, and I got a bunch of ones in there that I can use anytime I want. So as you see, I can have it all there, and it's been working very great for me. But just a few weeks ago, a new plugin was created from Aitum, and if you guys don't know Aitum who they are, they're the people that created this great plugin that's over here. This is for people that want to stream to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or anything like that. It gives you the vertical format as it listed there. And if you click right here on the bottom, on the setting, right here in the setting, you can go ahead and plug in your own sites that you want to stream to. Like if I open this up real quick, click right there, it's right behind me, you can't see me. So let me go and shrink myself down. All right, and here we go. So I shrunk myself down so you can see it better. So right here, when you open up that settings button right there from vertical, Aitum vertical, that you get the settings so you can stream here. You can plug in whatever you want here, and you can stream directly from here, so you're straight. So if you want to stream to TikTok, if you do have a RTMP link for them, if they give it out, I know nowadays it's hard to get them, you can do it from here and then plug it here, and you can stream to YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Kick, or whatever you want from here, at the same time doing it from here. Like the same company that created this thing up here with the vertical thing created a great new plugin that works just like multiple output, but it's better, well organized, and it's called Aitum Multistream, which is awesome. If you do want to get it, all you have to do is go to the website, which I'll bring up real quick right now. Let me bring it up real quick. You go right here and you download the one that's right above my head. You see it says Multistream. Right there it says Multistream. All you gotta do is click it right there, and it starts downloading. So if I click it right here, and it automatically is download. If it doesn't start doing download automatically, you just click it here and it'll download it. But you can see it popped up right there, so I can download it right there. I already have it installed. I don't need to do this, but I just wanted to show you how to do it if you need to get it. So, and like I said before, if you did want to get the vertical and you didn't have it, you could get it right here. This is the vertical plugin that I just showed you. That's the one that's right above me on OBS. That's the one. So if you want to get this one to have this thing right here, the one above me right now, that's where you click for the vertical one. So obviously I got the vertical one, and the multi-stream is something I will use because I already used multiple output plugin on OBS. But as you see, it's a little ganky looking, and it's a little pain in the ass to use sometimes. But with the multi-stream one, you don't have to do as much work to get it ready as you do with the multi-output one, because this one connects to your social media completely directly to that. So let's say you install it, you close your OBS, install the plugin. Once it's installed, open up your OBS. It should pop up automatically, but if it doesn't, all you have to do is go to your dock section on your OBS, open that up, and go to Aitum Multistream. There's a list right there. You click on it, and it'll pop open. As you can see, I already have stuff already set up here. So if you didn't want to keep this thing open here and you want to stream to shorts and you have the RTM files, you can do it here. Like I do have one in here for YouTube Shorts. If I want to stream to YouTube Shorts, I stream directly from here and I'll bring it from here. So if you want to use this for the vertical one, you have to get this one installed as well to use it. So there you go. So here it's built into whatever you want, whatever your OBS is built into. That's the one that comes into your built-in stream. So I do have my Twitch as the main one for my OBS, and then the secondary one's my YouTube, Kick, and everything. But as you see, you got the built-in stream, and then I got another plugin for YouTube, and I got the YouTube Shorts for the vertical one. So now, if you want to add your plugins there and see which one you want to use, you go to settings here, open it up, and you got two options. You go to main canvas, which is the normal 1920 by 1080p format, and then you got your vertical, which is 1080p by 1920, whichever you want to use. So if you want to go landscape mode, click on the main canvas, and here, as you see, I already have my YouTube one here, but if you want to add a different one, click on the plus add output, click on it, and these are all the ones that you can plug it up to. Remember, TikTok won't let you connect unless you have their stream key. If they don't provide you a stream key, this is not going to work. So unless you have a stream key, don't worry about using this one. But you can use all these other ones. So they have it for Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Toro, X, formerly known as Twitter, and Kick, which are the most popular ones that people like to stream to. I don't have my Instagram hooked up or my Twitter hooked up, or X, however you want to call it, onto this yet, but I will eventually. But if you don't see your service here, you can just click on other service, click on that. I'm going to click on it, and this is where you're going to need the RTMP server URL and plug it on there on the server, and then you need your stream key there if you see something other than the ones listed before. Only use this if none of the service you want to use is on here already. All this already has the built-in RTMP URL, so you don't need to worry about that. But yeah, guys, it's that simple and it works awesome. So now, once you have that set up, I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm gonna leave it as is. Once you have all that set up, you have this up here and everything. Now, if you think you're gonna just click on here and start streaming right away from here, it's not gonna work. The only way that's gonna work is you have to start it from here first. You need to start your main stream to stream from here then. So if you're not gonna be streaming to your mainstream, you would have to go back into OBS and change your mainstream credentials and do whatever you want to stream. Only if you're streaming to one thing. But if you're doing multiple streams and then one of them is your mainstream, then you start streaming here first. Then you click on this little icon here, which is go live, and then that'll start streaming from there. So that's a great plugin. It's just been out, I think, maybe right under a month or right a little bit above a month. Not exactly. It's a brand new plugin that the Aitum created, which is awesome. I didn't do a video when it first came out because I wanted to test and see how it worked for me. And the main reason I got this plugin is because with that plugin, there's a way that you could go ahead and stream to YouTube regular landscape mode and vertical at the same time. Like I said, it's a little bit tricky. I can show you if you guys really want to know how to do that. I don't know if you see my last couple of streams. I've been doing it that way because I've been testing it. The first time I tried, I couldn't get it. The second time I couldn't get it, but the third and fourth time that I've streamed, I've been able to do it and it works. It's just a little bit tricky to do it, but it works. Guys, I saw about this plugin. This plugin is a great plugin. I really like the plugin. Again, if you want to get it, I'll leave a link down below where you can download it. I'll show you how to get it. Very simple. Install it, close OBS, install it, and then reopen OBS, and then you'll be all set and you're ready to go. Guys, so that's it for today's video. So if you enjoyed this video and everything I showed you today, go and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to share this video because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Till next time, peace.